As you can see, we finished our tile. All the beveled subways in. We've got our niche in place that'll fit the shampoo bottles as well as some small knickknacks. So we just had to grout the walls, but the floor is all grouted, the curb is done, and the finish line is in sight. We're gonna work on some trim today. We're gonna get the vanity in place.
We're gonna dry fit the tub.
And then we're gonna see if we can get that barn door on the bedroom side of this whole project. So we're getting close, people.
I'm Dave.
And I'm Joey, and we're the Brolaws.
We've been building dream renovations for over a decade. We're also brothers-in-law.
That's right, this guy married my sister. We do any kind of renovation inside and out, and we like to bring our personality and sense of fun into everything that we do. Now, with the help of our expert designer, Talita,
We'll be building together
till death do us part.
Now, this is a theory I've been running on. You know how women are always so upset about guys when they shave, like all the hair everywhere?
Yeah.
But their hair is everywhere, and their hair is much longer. Like if you chopped up their hair into little beard-sized pieces,
Okay.
it would cover more area than our beard hair would.
That's a fact.
So now that you and Meg have your own sink,
Okay.
I'm curious to know whose sink is going to be hairier.
So I should collect her hair that falls, chop it up into little pieces,
Yeah.
and I'd be like, babe, who's got the hairier mess?
Exactly.
Okay.
But do it in front of her so she sees it all happening.
Yeah. I'm not gonna do that.
Okay.
Oh, wow, that was awful. Bad Joey. Joey will put some chirp screws in that later. So that's up. We're gonna do an 18-inch cabinet below that and then a 12-inch, but we'll wait till the countertop's in before we put that in. But I wanna get this tub in place so I can see what the whole space is gonna look like. We'll have to move it again when we do the hookup, but I wanna see everything in place so that, it's almost done.
Before we dry fit the tub, we've got to get the baseboard and casing in place. I know Joey sees the finish line, but bro's got to slow his roll.
Important tip, whenever you have the ability to, it's always better to nail your baseboard off into where the studs are. It's gonna hold it a lot tighter to the wall and it won't slowly pull away. So if you have the ability, lean it back here. I can see one of my drywall screws that should be going into a stud. So I know that's where one is. That's where I'll start my nails. Should be able to go 16 inches from that point. That'll be my next stud.
On your tape measure, there's some blank space. It's great for writing down measurements.
Tubby time. Time to dry fit the tub.
Beautiful.
Hopefully it's gotta come to there.
Yep. Should come to there. Should be like 2 inches off the glass. Oh baby.
That's a really nice tub.
Yeah.
Have you sat in it yet?
Oh, it's nice and deep there. On my face. Because I don't want to see what's happening right now. Awkward. It better be my wife.
Ooh, pictures.
Put the header up.
Truck.
Good.
Beauty. And just like that, we've hung a door. All right, that door looks sweet. We are getting close here. Just have to put in a few more cabinets once our countertop and sinks go in. Then faucets, mirrors, lights. We'll put some doors in place. We'll get some shower glass once that grout is done. And I can finally see the finish line on this one. It's gonna be a beautiful bathroom.